What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in third grade math, we're not going to add one, we're not going to add two, but we're going to add three numbers together. You've added two numbers together, now we're going to add three, so it's a little bit more challenging, but you know what? It'll be fun. Go to the link in the description of this video and download the notes, because I'm going to do a bunch of problems. Then I'm going to have you pause the video and do some problems on your own. And it would be really nice if you had the notes directly in front of you, if you can print them out. If you can't, that's okay. Watch the video. You'll still learn a lot. By the way, speaking of the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you are able to. Let's get right into it. How do we add three digits? Well, it's the same as adding two digits. You just have to be a little bit more careful as you add along the way. You're going to first make sure that the numbers are lined up like they are right here. They're going to be lined up most of the time anyway. You start from the right like you would normally do, and you would add the digits like you would normally do. We just have to be a little bit more careful, like I said, because we have more to do and more to remember, so just kind of remember things along the way. What's very important is if you add these numbers up and the number is greater than 10, then we need to write down the one digit in the one's place value and then the digit in the tens place value and kind of carry that over. We keep adding until we're done. And that's how you add three digits. So when I look at this guy, we're going to go from the very top and add our way down, remembering the numbers along the way. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is still 3, so we write out 3. Then you move to the next one. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Write out your 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, and you end up with 833 as my final answer. Okay? So we're going to do that a bunch of times. Practice, 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 practice. Then you're going to do some on your own. Start all the way to the right, add them up, and remember your numbers along the way. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write down your 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus nothing is 8. Write out your 8. Drop down your 2 because we have nothing to do. And 14 plus 264 plus 3 is 281. That's it. That's it. Let's do it again. Go all the way to the right. Start at the top and add. Don't forget your numbers along the way. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. Write out your 9, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write out your 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. That's it. 8 plus nothing else is still 8. 19 plus 772 plus 38 is 829. See? Not bad. Ooh, three digits. Let's see what we can do with this one. Start all the way to the top right. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Write out your 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. Write out your 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. That gets you 686. All right? You feeling good? I'm feeling great. One more. And then I think you guys are going to try it on your own. Let's change colors. We've done this whole same color the whole time. It's bland. All right, top right. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Write out your 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Write out your 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Write out your 8. And 128 plus 172 plus 516 is 816. All right? So I'm going to pause the video. Well, I'm not going to pause anything. I'm going to have you pause the video and you try the next couple on your own. If you have the notes, do them and then come back when you're ready and check your work. If you don't have the notes, then don't pause anything and just watch me do it. Or as the next slide pops up, pause it quick and then do the problem. But right now, pause the video now. All right. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Let's see how you guys did. 26 plus 2 plus 500. Really nice problem to start out. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 0 is still 8. Write out your 8 right there. 2 plus nothing plus 0 is 2. Write out your 2. And 5 is all alone. Write out your 5. 26 plus 2 plus 500 is 528. All right. 96 plus 710 plus 184. Start top right. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. So we're going to write out our 9. Carry the 1. All right, 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And after all this said and done, we have 990. 125 plus 204 plus 618. Start at the top right. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Write out your 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Write out your 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So we end up with 947. Okay. 103 plus 122 plus 705. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write out your 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Write out your 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 103 plus 122 plus 705 is 930. Okay? So, not that bad. Let's wrap this up with a word problem. Let's see what word problem we have today. Kelsey is collecting canned food for a school drive. On Monday, she collected 146 cans. On Tuesday, she collected 238 cans. On Wednesday, she collected 315 cans. How many cans did Kelsey collect all together? So we're going to add all three of these numbers up. So let's line them up. 146 lines up with 238 perfectly, which also lines up with 315 perfectly. And we're going to add these three numbers up. All right, start from the top right. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Write out your 9. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you get a 9 there. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, this is a word problem that's asking how many cans did Kelsey collect altogether? Well, she collected 699 cans. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment if you can, and watch all of my videos. Until the next time, bye.